What the haters talking about?
What's up, family? A popular Instagram model is in a Los Angeles area hospital. She had to be taken to the emergency room because while she was on an airplane, she claims her butt exploded. The woman, who goes by the name of Mary Magdalene, admitted to getting illegal silicone butt injections. The material inside her butt has ruptured and it appears to have leaked out and is rotting, and her butt is infected. According to Mary, she was riding on the airplane and her butt burst, possibly because of the change in atmospheric pressure. She now has a ruptured hole in her backside, and she's claiming that the wound is infected. Now, this is not Mary's first time having a serious health care. In 2018, she says she almost died while undergoing a procedure, get this fam, to enlarge her vagina. To enlarge her vagina. To enlarge her vagina. Ooh, man, this equality thing is getting out of control, because I know it's some woman somewhere where, you know, if men can do it, women can do it. Good God. The woman said that she had to have 2 blood infusions to save her life. And after all of that, she still continued to have these surgical procedures to exaggerate her body parts. Over 12 additional procedures after she almost died. That woman needs to be put in a mental institution. Point blank, period. There is no doubt in my mind that something is seriously wrong with her. That is absolutely crazy. Ooh, man. Every time I hear something like this, I'm always reminded of that Dove commercial. It's one of the greatest commercials ever. Very, very simple slogan. Love the skin you're in. Man, don't that sound beautiful? Imagine if all of us, not just people like her who have these obsessions with surgeries to enlarge their body parts, but those of us who want to be somebody else, those of us who hate the way that God made us. What if everybody could learn the lesson to just simply love the skin you're in? I'll say it again. Mary should be in a mental institution, and her doctor should be in jail. No more talk.
What the haters talking about?